Today we're going to talk about the science behind long division. An acronym I learned, and a funny saying I learned while being a teaching assistant was dirty monkeys smell bad. Now those stand for the steps in long division of divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Today we're going to model this process step by step using the color-coded names and operations as listed with the arrows, and hopefully it'll be a nice, easy process for you to see. Now first and foremost, this problem is 136 divided by 2. Now, the first thing you want to say to yourself is, how many times does 2 go into 1? And obviously, being 2 bigger than 1, it can't go into 1. So it goes in 0 times. So we look to a number next to it. 2 into 13. 2 can't go into 13 evenly, but it does go into 12 evenly. So 2 times 6 being 12. So 2 goes into 13 6 times. Now at this point, you've completed your division. But you're not done with the whole problem, obviously. So your division, or your orange steps, are done. Now we go to our multiplication. You multiply 6 times 2, and that gives you 12. So we've divided, we've multiplied, and now we must subtract here. When you subtract 13 minus 12, you get 1. After you're done subtracting, you must bring down your next number, which is from here. As you bring down, you now have 16. We're now looking at the division problem of 16 divided by 2, which is a complete flip of or inverse of our multiplication tables, which is 8 times 2. So basically, going through the steps again. You go back to the top. You're going to go 2 into 16. That's going to give you 8. That is division once again. You're going to multiply again. 8 times 2. That gives you your 16. You're going to subtract again. And 16 minus 16 gives you 0. When there's nothing left at the bottom, you know you did your division correctly. I hope these steps helped. They remain the same even when there is a remainder. Hopefully I'll get a chance to go into less from that in the future. But those are the steps of long division. That's the science behind long division. And remember, dirty monkeys smell bad.